Priority 6, energy security. Energy
பிரதமரின்
transition.
ஆறாவது
In the
முக்கியத்துவம்
interim
வாய்ந்த
budget,
பகுதி
I had announced our strategy
எரிசக்தி
to
துறை.
sustain high and more resource efficient economic growth, along with the energy security in terms of availability, accessibility, and affordability. We will bring out a policy document on appropriate energy transition pathways that balances the imperatives of employment, growth, and environmental sustainability. PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. In line with the announcement in the interim budget, PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana has been launched to install rooftop solar plants to enable
பிரதமரின் சூரிய சக்தி வீடு
households obtain
இலவச
electricity up to
மின்சார
300
திட்டத்தின் கீழ்
units every month.
திட்டம்
The
தொடங்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறது.
scheme has generated
வீடுகளின் கூரைகளில்
more than 1.28 crore registrations.
மின்சார
14 lakh
சூரிய தகடுகள் அமைக்கும் பணி
further
விரைவில் தொடங்கப்படும்.
Pumped storage policy. A policy for promoting pumped storage projects will be brought out for electricity storage and facilitating smooth integration of the growing share of renewable energy with its variable and intermittent nature in the overall energy mix. Research and development of small and modular nuclear reactors. Nuclear energy is expected to form a very significant part of the energy mix for Viksit Bharat. Towards that
நமது
pursuit,
மின்சக்தி தேவையில்
partner with the
அணுசக்தி
one
மூலம் தயாரிக்கப்படும் மின்சக்தி முக்கிய பங்கு வகிக்கும். எனவே சிறிய நடுத்தர அளவிலான அணுசக்தி மூலம் மின்சக்தி தயாரிக்கும் நிலையங்கள் அமைக்கும்
research and development of
முயற்சி
new
பற்றி ஆய்வு செய்யப்படும்.
technologies for nuclear energy. The R&D funding announced in the interim budget will be made available for this sector also. Advanced Alvas
இது பற்றி ஆராய்ச்சிக்காக இடைக்கால பட்ஜெட்டில் அறிவிக்கப்பட்ட நிதி இந்த வருடம் அந்த அமைப்புக்கு வழங்கப்படும்.
technology for advanced ultra super critical thermal power plants with much higher efficiency has been completed. A joint venture between NTPC and BHEL will set up a full-scale 800 megawatt commercial plant using AUSC technology. The government will provide the required fiscal support. Moving forward, development of indigenous capacity for the production of high-grade steel and other advanced metallurgy materials for these plants will result in strong spin-off benefits for the economy. Roadmap for hard-to-abate industries. A roadmap for moving the hard-to-abate industries from energy efficiency targets to emission targets will be formulated. Appropriate regulations for transition of these industries from the current perform, achieve, and trade mode to Indian carbon market mode will be put in place. Support to traditional micro and small industries. An investment grade energy audit of traditional micro and small industries in 60 clusters, including brass and ceramic, will be facilitated. Financial support will be provided for shifting them to cleaner forms of energy and implementation of energy efficiency measures. The scheme will be replicated in another 100 clusters in the next phase.